How do you make the sweet meringue? I use fresh eggs, and I use a ratio of 1 to 3, but I do sell a pamphlet on my little tips on how best to get that. So if you have any troubleshooting, you get that, and that is in my bio. But I use the standard 1 to 3 ratio. So that's, what is it? It's egg whites to sugar to butter. And we did this compote. I say compote. Compote. Oh, look at that. And it actually tastes so yummy, guys. I did taste it.